Mastery begins with knowledge. At Caparol, we believe that the best experts never stop learning. That is why we created Caparol Academy, a space where professionals grow, experiment, share experience, and set new standards of quality. Caparol is more than just a brand. It is 140 years of expertise, knowledge and research dating back to 1895. Today we pass this heritage forward through Caparol Academy. Our own employees were our first students. We invest in team development because we believe that true expertise always begins from within. Caparol Academy is a next-generation training center. We educate our internal teams, commercial, sales representatives, technical employees, back office, our partners and craftsmen, retail consultants, architects, teachers and students in vocational technical colleges. The Academy offers live and online training sessions, material testing and hands-on skills development. Caparol Academy is an opportunity to unlock my creative potential and become an outstanding professional. At Synergia Vocational College, we strongly believe that quality education is the foundation of professional growth. That is why we value our cooperation with Caparol Academy, which has opened access for our students and teachers to learn directly from real experts in the construction industry. Our students work with innovative materials and gain practical skills that will form the basis of their future success. Caparol Academy is a place where innovations are born, ecological paints, new techniques and technologies that support the reconstruction of Ukraine. We are preparing today to be the first tomorrow with expertise, solutions and professionals who are shaping the future of our country. A milestone in the development of Caparol Ukraine was creation of Caparol Academy. The concept and format were developed by Ukrainian team, taking into account business needs and needs of Caparol employees, expectations of our partners, and the requirements of the modern educational system. Caparol Academy program consists of 3 learning levels and includes over 40 theoretical and practical modules. The Academy trainers are experienced technologists and product management specialists of Caparol Ukraine. Training sessions take place in our offices and Caparol workshops in retail markets, directly at vocational colleges. One of the most effective formats is mixed learning groups, where Caparol employees, college instructors and students learn together. They study theory together, then they practice primers, fillers and other building materials also together. Caparol Academy is a comprehensive system of developing technical expertise. We approach learning systematically. All training formats for all target audiences are integrated into Academy's annual calendar, so everyone clearly understands what to learn, when and how. Caparol Academy is a space where professionals meet innovation. We don't simply transfer knowledge, we help people learn, experience materials, understand technology and continuously refine their craftsmanship. Here, everyone has the opportunity to raise their professional level, master new techniques and confidently move forward in their career. Caparol Academy is where professionals are born, where knowledge becomes action, experience becomes strength, and everyone can become part of building a new Ukraine. For us, creating Caparol Academy is more than an educational initiative. It is our way to make the market more professional and Ukrainian specialists even more competitive. We want everyone who works with our materials to receive the best knowledge, technologies and tools for growth. Together, we are shaping standards of quality, sustainability and aesthetics and transform the world around us.